Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
90-year-old man risked his life to say goodbye to his wife after 30 years of marriage. What happened next is unbelievable. Sam Reck was alongside his wife Joanne for almost 30 years, just when she relocated with her dementia to a skilled nursing home. He stayed only one building across from her. They spent every day with each other, Joanne's son, Scott Hooper, said. Sam would go to her room each morning and would stay with her all day. Each night he would kiss her goodnight. But when the pandemic started, that all changed. The couple became apart for the first time in 3 decades when Florida banned visitors to nursing homes. For her, this has been devastating, Hooper told Fox 13. Her dementia spiraled out of control, having either good or bad days or good or bad weeks. Joanne, 86, would still wake up not realizing where she was, Hooper said. The family installed a device in her room that would allow her to speak with Sam over video chat. It helped, but she had this thing about packing things up to go home, and that included Alexa. Hooper explained, doesn't work very well unplugged. He then agreed in what he described as a kind of 50 First Dates video to help her understand what was going on with the pandemic, to have family members record videos for her. I had a thought they could play it for her while my mom was having issues. It worked very well, Hooper said. Yet, Joanne began feeling sick last Wednesday and developed a fever and a cough. Her temperature had risen to 102 degrees by the time she was taken to Lakeland Regional. A check confirmed her COVID-19 was positive. Her health began to deteriorate, but Hooper said his mother had a do not resuscitate directive that included respirators in her living will. The family made the tough decision of honoring their wishes and opting for palliative treatment. Though visitors are generally still prohibited from hospitals, exceptions are made for end-of-life matters. The family was invited to be with her, provided they covered themselves in personal protective equipment or PPE. I told Sam, as a 90-year-old man, he should not go into my mom's room, Hooper recalled. At first he agreed, but later said he had to go, whatever the results. Hooper shared an emotional video of the couple's reunion at her bedside on Saturday evening, as Sam, covered head to toe in PPE, took his wife's hand. Hi, honey, hi, darling, Sam said to her. You don't recognize me with all this junk on my face, but it is Sam. I love you, sweetheart. I love you so much. I'm finally getting to hold your hand after all these months. Her son said everyone in the room was crying while watching the couple together. Joanne passed away the next day. What has grabbed everyone's attention is the loving story between my mom and my stepfather, Hooper said. But I would love for people to understand the struggles people with dementia are going through during COVID. It's a situation worse than death. He said he wanted to share his mom's story in an effort to show how the lockdown affects those suffering from dementia.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.